I'm Mark, the Managing Director of Osmio Water. Particularly in the southeast of the country, water is very hard, which means it has a lot of limescale minerals, calcium, magnesium and bicarbonates. They cause a lot of damage to central heating systems and also heating system efficiency. So a millimetre of limescale build-up on a heating element makes the boiler work about 50% harder, which causes more breakdown and more problems. Things like taps and shower heads clog up with limescale. This can be easily removed. Also with drinking water quality, chemical disinfectants and heavy metals particularly easily removed, so that you don't need to buy bottled water which is not flowing fresh water. It's got plastic chemical, which is a concern as well. So they're the things we are looking to improve. Osmio Water started in 2009. We're very passionate about water quality and passionate about people and health. So we're here to bring very high quality product to consumers in the UK and around the world. We love water. Water is a living thing. We need to take good care of it and we need to take care of our bodies. So that's why we're only concentrating on very good products that make water to a good standard for your health and well-being. Water can be improved through a number of methods. So we have point of use systems for drinking water. So they start with basic carbon filters, things like you get in a Brita jug but on tap. So instead of waiting for a jug and less exposure to plastic. Also they can get more advanced, so you can take out heavy metals, you can take out bacteria and viruses and hormones and pharmaceuticals. Any trace elements can be removed very easily with reverse osmosis systems. Which we are also conditioning the water to be as natural as possible. So very pure water with a bunch of natural minerals in it is what our top of the range systems are doing. So replicating natural mountain spring water, for example. And we're doing it at a very low cost, a fraction of the cost of bottled water, and even lower cost than running a very basic system like a Brita jug. With the point of use drinking systems, you can have two options for the tap. You can either have a separate standalone tap, which doesn't affect your existing setup at all, or you can get something called a three-way tap, which connects to your normal hot and cold, plus you're filtered. And we even do instant boiling and chilled and sparkling water on tap as well. So whatever you want, we can do. They will require you having usually a different tap or a separate tap or changing your tap. We also have systems that will connect it to your existing tap without you having to change the tap. So they'll just filter all the cold side of your tap. With point of entry systems, obviously everything's going to be filtered where the water comes into the property, so any tap existing will be providing filtered water as well. Installation is really easy. You have plug and play type of technology. Any basic handy person or plumber will find it very simple to do it. Most of our customers install the product themselves because they come with full installation kits. We offer an installation service across the whole UK. So for which we give you extended warranty on as well. So installing it is very basic plumbing. It's very quick. Normally it takes anything from 20 minutes to a couple of hours, depending on what you're having installed. So installation is quick and easy. A basic drinking water filter can be as low as £10 every 6 months to maintain. We have a spectrum of products whereby they go up in terms of the ability for them to reduce further impurities. So the top of the range system would cost about £120 a year to maintain. So what we do is we find out from you, what is it you're looking to take out, how do you want the water to be treated, and we will come up with a solution that works, which is fit for your size of property and the number of occupants in the property as well. Salt softeners have been around for a long time. They're very established technology. In the last 2 years, you've had the emergence of the liquid softeners, which are very tiny devices. They take up such little space compared to a salt softener. You have to change the liquid far less often. They're much lower cost, much more efficient, and way more environmentally friendly. They are now outselling salt softeners by 30 to 1. We've got hundreds of reviews about them from existing customers who've been using them, really happy with them. They're even helping people with eczema and psoriasis who have a dryness and itchiness after bathing, where they would traditionally buy a salt softener. Now they're using liquid and it's doing the same job. So 100% they are the intelligent choice at the moment. You can come and check them out on our website. We only sell products that have met a standard, which is called the NSF standard for material extraction, which means they're safe for use with plumbing and potable water. So we have those minimum quality standards. We also look for higher quality production for the components to make sure there's reliability and performance over the life of the system. We aim to provide the highest quality service and support and technical knowledge in the industry. That's why 98% of our customers have given us 4 and 5 stars on Google customer reviews, which we're really passionate about maintaining. We're not really profit-driven company, we're kind of people-driven. So we love people and we love water. We want to take care of water and give you the best service and the best products that are really going to help you and your family. So.